Well, look who we have here. We just got to the Red River Gorge and the first person we see is Tom Walker.
Got here at the same exact time. That's weird.
It's awesome. So good to see you.
Thank you. Thanks for doing this. We're gonna have fun.
Yeah, we will. It's beginning to look a lot like fall. Very beautiful.
Yes.
We made it to Hanson's Point and I believe we already have a few friends up here, so let's see who is up here. We have Tom Walker over here.
You made it.
I
grabbed Tim's ass.
That's okay.
I'm sure he doesn't mind.
Hi Tim, I'm Sarah.
Hey.
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
How you doing, sweetheart?
It's so nice to meet you.
How are you? Good. I kept seeing you posting pictures and stuff on Facebook. Stop posting pictures and get to Red River Gorge.
Ah, so glad we got here before it got dark all the way.
So our strategic plan is to kind of like set up a perimeter to save some of this for extra pouring.
Okay.
There's little people right over here, and then up towards Hanson there's three more people. Wherever you left.
I don't want to get him.
Made it right before dark. Got just a few minutes left to put up camp.
Howdy.
Hey.
How you doing? Tom Walker. Tom, how are you, man?
Yeah.
Good.
Welcome to, brother.
What's up?
Hi, Chris.
Still, man. Tom.
Tom, Brian, nice to meet you.
Yep.
You made it.
Steven, nice to meet you.
Very good.
Awesome. Got Brian Carlson. Chris, that hiking guy.
What's up?
What's up?
Well, you knew I was going to be here. Here tonight, though. Yeah, I told you.
Grateful Trekker, Jason
Nothing
Outdoors,
personal, you know,
Tom
you should already know that.
Walker,
I
Mike,
don't remember shit.
You asked me when I was
Buckley.
going to be here.
Ours is nice. It was 6 hours.
Tim. Tim eats a lot.
That's right. What's up?
14. Yeah, we came down.
Morning. So we made it to Hanson's Point early for the sunrise. It's a beautiful day. Sun's coming up. Slept pretty good. Jason made it. So we have Mike, and your channel name is?
Out on Trail.
I've been watching you for quite some time now, and I know you go all over the place.
I try to,
Yeah.
and I appreciate that.
Yep, pretty cool.
And this is a pretty good one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the gorge is pretty awesome.
My favorite part is once I've already got my shots and then I can actually just stop and enjoy it.
Mhm, yeah. That's him.
Just got a friend request.
Is this video?
Hi Ilvina. Good morning to
Is this
you.
video or picture? Because
This is a video.
Okay.
Ilvina, you're live.
I live in a trash can. Sometimes he's green. Sometimes I'm grocery. Good morning.
And good morning. And could you tell me your channel name again?
So, Caveman OS Hiking.
Okay. I will post the link below to all these awesome channels.
Even Brian.
Grateful Trekker. Got your own custom-made bag. That hiking guy.
No, Adventure Way.
Oh yeah. Can you explain that again? Your recent changes.
I have I do reviews on one channel and I do my trips on another, and this will be on, or my trip will be on Adventure Way Pictures.
Okay.
That's all. Because
And I will post that link too. And there's Tim Eats a Lot.
Tim eats a lot.
He's eating.
That's right. Always.
Brian drinks a lot.
Always. Are you always eating?
Yeah, yeah.
And Brian Carlson, Carlson Adventures.
Subscribe, like, share. Unsubscribe from that hiking guy.
Yeah.
Oh, my wife again. Hello.
That's Tom Walker following Walker's World.
What's up?
Sarah.
Hello.
I'm just a backpacking with Buckley groupie.
Mike and Jason, what's happening?
Trying to organize ourselves for a day.
Are you gonna go to the Eagle
Rock, I think it's called.
Eagle Rock?
Yeah.
Eagle Butt? Should be awesome up there.
I hope so.
We're excited.
We'll bring some cool pictures back.
I saw some really nice video. I think the Hoot on the trail went up there. Let's see who we have here behind this awesome looking top. Oh, it's Tanya Browning.
Hey!
So glad you could make it.
I'm so happy to be here.
It's so great to finally see you in person.
Yes, it is. It's been a long time chatting.
Yes.
Hey, how are you? Great to see you again.
25.
Hi!
I'm Sarah.
Yeah.
So awesome! It's hard to hug with the backpack on.
Oh, yeah.
There he is, the man, the legend.
That's in your mind.
Kevin!
Hello.
Kevin!
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good to see
So
you.
up there right now is Chris.
So, DMS Adventures, I'm glad you made it.
Glad to be
Let's
here.
see your custom printed hilltop packs back.
Go Ben.
Oh, that's awesome.
This was free. He just sent this.
Yeah, I know.
He's insane.
He's really awesome.
Been delivered.
And we have Rugged Mountain Mister and Elsa, the puppy. So where's Ray?
Ray's in the truck.
Oh,
I didn't want to carry the extra weight.
man.
Sorry.
Did you leave him some snacks and water?
No, we took all of it. She's protecting from any bear attacks.
Okay.
And I said, hey.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Uncured salami.
That is hard to move.
Howard,
Hard salami.
Was
please
it?
Really good. No,
give Chris a kiss on the cheek, please.
No. He smells of desperation.
Oh my goodness. Is there any hiker stench yet? Oh, Tim eats a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Where did you get those sunglasses?
Senior hiker gave them to me just now.
Awesome look.
He picked them out special for me, and they match my shirt because he knows me so well.
Are they designer frames?
I'm sure they're designed by somebody.
Cabbage. This one is chicken and steak fajita in a bag with street corn, rice, and beans. My other favorite one. What?
Can you do that again? You're in a group of these.
Take it from the top to the
With
beginning.
coconut rice and pineapple salsa. That's the one that he has.
I got
but
2 of them.
You got 2 of them. So these are my absolute favorite. So they're $12. I don't know. I thought that included shipping, but evidently.
No, I only paid 6. I only bought 1 serving.
They're not sick.
So we've
hey,
got
that's a-
Unlikely Hiker. Glad you could make
But it's
it.
an agua.
Barely. That was the longest, like,
It's the same
2
company
point
that
what?
makes the board.
2.3
I've always
miles?
wanted to
How
try
long?
one of these.
How long did it take you?
to drive.
I've considered buying one of these. Well, the
about
Boreal
15 hours.
24.
Wow.
It takes a little bit longer with the dog. Extra stops,
Yeah, because
frisbee breaks, and
Tom came from Florida,
Yeah.
14
I
hours.
looked at
14
your
hours?
distance from New Hampshire, 15,
New
right?
York.
Oh, New York you came from?
13 hours, yeah.
Good drive.
Metro on the move.
What's going on? It was an awesome hike there.
To the Eagle spot?
Yeah, so I got some good views. So.
That's not the name of it though, is
Eagle's Nest or something.
Okay.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Awesome.
Yeah, it was awesome. She does. She's an interpreter and stuff like that. So I was like, well, it's too much work. Hi, Nicole. I didn't even see you there. How are you?
Good, how are you? Good to see you.
How long you been out here?
Yeah, last night.
Last night?
Yeah.
JK.
Hey,
Hi.
good to see you.
Good to see you too. I heard you put together a little party and
Yeah.
I kind of crashed.
Well, I left you a message on one of the videos, but it probably was removed because YouTube probably thought I'm crazy. I'm like, we are having a meetup. Come out, come and join us.
Oh my goodness.
Did you ever see that?
No, I didn't. So,
Yeah.
but these guys told me about it. So I was like,
yeah,
I'll
that
be
worked
there.
out. So glad you could make it.
Thank you. Thanks for setting it up.
Hey, no problem.
It is all things outdoors. Outdoors, separate letters, like out the doors
Okay.
of a house.
Yep.
And you'll never find it because YouTube hates me too.
No, I know I actually subbed you and watched some of your videos, but I just want to make sure the audience knows.
Oh, well thank you. I appreciate that.
What about the
What
price?
you just said, yeah.
Oh, the $7 gas station Johnsonville brats that I
Right.
purchased?
Yep.
Yeah. We can share with 6 people, or we can split it 30 ways, Nicole.
Have a little appetizers.
The truth be told about it, I think it would be easier to just cook them on sticks, but I feel like we better try the grill. Failed. That the big one failed under extreme heat. Ben's fixing it, so it's not.
Is it ghost pepper?
You've already touched it, so it's you got to do it.
ruin your evening. Be very.
Yeah, you ruined your morning too.
I was going to see what the scope was. But
Here, hold that up, chef.
How's that meat working out for you?
Do you want one, Nicole?
No, thanks, I'm good.
First come, first served after everybody. I
I'm
promise.
gonna set this right here.
Senior hiker 77 hooked me up, or us, he hooked us up with some freebies because we kind of failed at bringing enough food on this trip for some reason. I'm normally really good and pack too much stuff, but he's so kind, so he gave us all this stuff.
The weight I carry.
Yeah. So I'm gonna test out this hammock that Tim has here. Never tried out a hammock.
All right. So you just want to sit down in the middle.
All right, here you go.
Is it rolling?
Yeah. Oh, I have my shoes on.
Yeah, just kick off your shoes. Rule number 1 in Tim's house is take your shoes off.
That's right. It's off. Oh yeah.
Okay, so now take your feet and put them like to your right, kind of switch yourself diagonal. There you go.
Oh, that feels pretty good.
Yeah, and don't be
Yeah.
shy. You can flip around, you can...
Yeah, I can see where that would help my hips because my hips hurt a lot normally.
For me, it's like the numb shoulders and neck.
Yeah.
I don't wake up with numb shoulders and all
Yeah,
that.
that's nice.
Yeah.
Hooty hoot! Look who made it!
Here, finally.
Guten Morgen!
Glad to meet you. Hey, senior hiker.
Senior hiker! Pleasure, my lord. Pleasure, absolute pleasure.
Legend.
Hey, I'm Max.
How do you, Max?
Caveman OS.
RVA hiker girl.
Oh, are you a hiker girl? All in Walker's girl.
How you doing, buddy?
This is Santa, right? This...
Yeah, he won't ever know. We are on a day hike to Grace Arch. And we've got quite a group here for this day hike. Tom? It's absolutely beautiful down here on the way to Grace Arch. How did you like the scramble up to Grace Arch?
Something different, Nicole. Something different. But it was good. Kevin didn't come.
He's still taking a snack.
Oh, you guys are back down already? I was gonna go up
I was
there.
getting ready to head down.
Who's going up there? I'm not going any further. This is it.
Oh, no, you
promised
have
me-
to go to the top.
No,
Or at least get up to here.
up to where? Oh yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, I'll do that. But I'm not going on the top.
Everyone made it. up here. Except Kevin, he's waiting on us.
He's just taking a snack.
Yeah, he's snacking.
He'll be up there.
Okay, hi, good girl.
Made it.
Made it. Right?
Yeah.
Nancy might want to know.
Warm up those pipes.
Following Walker's
Working hard for that firewood.
I tried to go hiking out there with Jeremiah Stringer. Folks told me in the morning in camp he liked to linger. I said something about it and he shot me the middle finger. I got the blues, those Red River Gorge blues, yeah. Well, I don't know what to do. I got them